U.S. stocks today again on the rise, hitting their highest levels since 2008. And the rise follows the release of government data that shows that the economy is expanding faster than previously been reported. Deborah Kostroun has the details from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yes, so the S&P back at the two-year high, and stocks have been gaining for a fifth straight day. And the good economic news that Pimm was just talking about, the GDP, our economy grew last quarter more than expected. And the feeling there is that it may continue into next year as companies and also consumers really kind of gaining confidence. On the flip side, though, we did get a report on existing home sales rising less than forecast. But all in all, traders say the economy is on the right track. The recovery is happening, but at a moderate pace. And something that we talked about last week, strategists actually pretty bullish for their projections for the S&P for next year, of course, putting it as high as 1,500, Pimm.
Now, Deborah, if I take a look at the bank and financial stocks today, they were in a leadership position, all posting gains.
Yes, and in fact, we did see a lot of the bank stocks in the regional banks doing quite well. Federal lawmakers agreeing to fund the government through March the 4th. However, that would deny some budget increases that regulators needed to meet some new responsibilities imposed by the Dodd-Frank Act. And we did see the banking stocks like J.P. Morgan, the biggest gainer in the Dow. Also, Regions Financial, the biggest gainer in the S&P. Also, Bank of America gaining after analyst Dick Beauvais saying that the information about Bank of America that may be released by WikiLeaks is unlikely to be any new information, and so kind of easing up a little bit on Bank of America. One quick mention of Walgreens, that stock up 5% on news that they saw a 19% increase in their first quarter profit. Walgreens has been remodeling a lot of their stores to get rid of some of their slower selling items. That's it from here, Pimm. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.